efforts to make this campus a safe and beautiful place of learning. Big thanks to Surinderji. I would like to welcome my dear friend and well-wisher of the school, Srimati Rama Venkat, from the Academic Council to today's program. She is ever supportive of all our activities and standing up for all our SSRVMs across the country. We extend a very warm welcome to Ramaka. At the same time, we extend a warm welcome to Wing Commander Atri, who is an RTI activist, and after dedicating his services to the country, he is doing again to our people of Karnataka. Thank you for coming and being with us. SSRVM South gives a warm welcome to all the dignitaries from the ashram who have come here to bless our students. We hope all of you will carry pleasant memories of our students' performances. It's my pleasure to welcome staff from SSRVM East. Thanks for coming. With immense joy and pleasure, SSRVM South welcomes all our ex-teaching staff whose contribution to the school's success is immense. With this, I also welcome our alumni of 4 years to today's celebrations. These students have really made us proud and given us so much joy by their progress and achievements. I also welcome all the doctors and students from Sri Sri Ayurveda College. On behalf of my staff, I take this opportunity to welcome all the parents of our students who are eagerly waiting to watch their children perform. Dear parents, you are our strong support and strength. Because of your support, we are able to take the big decisions for the progress of our students. It was because of your suggestions that this year we could start commerce stream for 11th standard students. In the same way, with pride, I want to announce that we are opening science stream too during the coming academic year. We are very sure that all of you will extend your hand of support for our new venture. My sincere thanks to all of you for your trust and faith in us, which keeps us motivated. Welcome to all the parents and other guests. Last but not the least, I extend a hearty welcome to my family members who are ever supportive of all my activities. Thanks for coming. Thank you. Before we begin this evening's cultural program, Kala Mela, I would like to present the report of all the activities happened in the school during this academic year. Let's view the report. Thank you. Jai Gurudev.
This innovative blend of ancient knowledge and modern philosophy of education was guided by our principal, Mrs. Suma Atriji. Followed by this, a workshop on lesson planning was held at JP Nagar Bal Mandir. Here, all the teachers from SSRVM East, North and South got a chance to interact and share their knowledge with each other. Teachers are lifelong learners. In the view of this, various workshops were conducted. Erudite session from Pearson Education Services, special session from Maths and Science teachers by the Royal Society of Chemistry, and PP teachers had a fun-filled inspiring session by Ms. Aisha Dastigar. An exclusive CC workshop for primary teachers was conducted by our principal, Mrs. Suma Atriji. Besides all the in-house trainings, our teachers, Mrs. Preman Murthy and the counselor, Mrs. Nalinakshi Murthy, got a chance to attend workshops conducted by CBSE. Sri Ravi Shankar Vidya Mandir is well known for its stress-free education all over the India. We make sure that our children are stress-free and yet confident enough to face any challenge. Hence, the Very Well Art of Living program for students was organized in the very beginning of this year. Art Excel for the students of classes 3 to 6 is a course which supports the overall development of a child. It improves focus, provides physical relaxation and emotional stability. The Youth Empowerment Seminar, that is the YES course, was conducted for students of classes 7 to 10. This is a dynamic and fun-filled program that challenges teens to take responsibilities of their life and provides a comprehensive set of practical tools for releasing stress, mastering emotions, and raising the self-awareness. Besides YES and Art Excel, a speed reading workshop was conducted by Mr. Mansoor from iSpeed Read Academy of Bangalore. As a part of academics, various activities have been organized: science quiz, debates, slogan writings on World Environment Day. Throughout the year, our students kept building their knowledge and learned new things through activities. An exclusive workshop to build leadership qualities in our students was conducted by beloved principal Mrs. Suma Athriji. Students also participated in various inter-school competitions, painting competition organized by ISKCON and Spelby, where they achieved 17 medals and 36 commendation certificates. Pre-primary students are no behind. They enjoyed incredible activities such as cap making, Green Day celebration and many more events. Besides all these activities, tests and exams were conducted on regular basis as per the schedule given by Central Board of Secondary Education. With great pride and honor, we are glad to declare that our students Akshara S. Rao and Bhajgovind Raji scored 10 CGPA in the board exams. In this regard, our principal, Mrs. Suma Athriji, Mrs. Srividya Anup and Mrs. Gayatri Rao also received an appreciation certificate from Mrs. Smriti Irani. We are also privileged to receive an appreciation certificate from CBSE for the proofs of assessment submitted for social studies. At this pride moment, we are delighted to announce that the commerce stream for CBSE 11th and 12th is introduced this year, and we are looking forward towards the science stream too. Celebrations are an integral part of activities at SSRVM. Celebrations help us to enhance the bond among students and also bring in awareness about the richness of culture and significance of our traditions. To second this thought, various festivals were celebrated throughout the year. Festivals Guru Purnima, Yoga Day, Investiture Ceremony, Raksha Bandhan, Joy of Giving Week, Ganesh Chaturthi, Dashra and Children's Day were celebrated with great zeal and enthusiasm. Children from pre-primary section begin their session with Akshar Abhyasa. SSRVM Bangalore South celebrated the 69th Independence Day along with the students of BVMVP, Ayurveda College, Agama Pathshala and the security personals from Ashram. To grace this occasion, we had the privilege of having Chief Guest Swami Sadhya Jataji for the flag hoisting. SSRVM believes in inculcating a very positive and healthy sense of competition. In this regard, investiture ceremony took place in a grand manner. The Chief Guest Commander Sarvottam Rao, Chairman VVKI, gave away badges to the newly elected students. We go by the motto given by our beloved Guruji: winning or losing, life is a celebration. In the same spirit, various inter-house competitions were conducted during this academic year. First in the list is Literary Fest that was spread out for 2 days. All the students participated in various activities for different languages enthusiastically. We also organized Avishkar 2015, that is a science exhibition to express the scientific temperament in our students. As a part of social awareness and contribution to society, our students of grade 8 welcomed the students from Government Higher Primary School Gublala for Each One Teach One campaign. They accompanied the students to ashram for sightseeing and also cherished lunch together. Not only academics, cultural or social activities, we stand distinct in sports too. It was a proud moment for SSRVM Bangalore South when our girls won state-level volleyball match by securing bronze. SSRVM Trust organized inter-school sports meet wherein students from SSRVM East, North and Bangalore South participated. Our students went to Bidar to participate in volleyball tournament and athletics meet organized by CBSE Cluster 7 and won prizes too. Last week itself, they also participated in football tournament organized by Karnataka Football Association. Outdoors are not only restricted for sports. We go out for extreme fun and practical knowledge during field trips. Students of all the classes visited different places as a part of field trip and strengthened the bonding among themselves. The student from pre-primary, first and second had been to Radha Kunj and Gaushala to be friendly with animals, birds, plants and learned more about them. The students from 3 to 5th went for an educational field trip to Jawaharlal Nehru Planetarium and explored more about universe. The students from 6th and 7th went to Innovation and Science Promotion Foundation, that is ISPF Kengeri, as a part of their field trip. They also learned to make useful toys out of scrap. Not only students, teachers of SSRVM South Bangalore also enjoyed a day out by visiting Melkote Temple and Balmuri Falls to celebrate Teachers' Day. It was indeed a great and memorable trip for all of us. Rural Happiness Program was conducted by our principal, Mrs. Suma Atriji, for the helping staff, drivers and conductors of SSRVM Bangalore South. The participants were grateful and happy with what they have received. As a mark of gratitude towards the school, they have also organized Guru Puja on Thursday. We value the role of parental involvement in the success of our students. To make parents an integral part of teaching-learning process, we had open house as well as regular parent-teachers meeting to discuss important aspects of students' growth. Academic performance and social behavior were discussed. A healthy relationship between teachers and parents is important towards overall growth of a child. Open house meet for all the wings were conducted and addressed by our principal. Annual Day is an important activity of school. Today's extravaganza is a result of dedicated efforts of the staff and students of SSRVM. So let's gear up for Kala Mela for the World Cultural